reorder the list, the first element should be odd, and after this you just have to put the even elements. Okay, we don't have to we have to solve this problem in big O of 1 extra space and big O of n time complexity. Okay, so what this question is telling, there is given a linked list. Let's understand with an example: 1 2 3 4 5. So here is 1 2 3 4 4 and 5. Okay, there is given a linked list, and now we have to just reorder the linked list in such a way that the first should be odd. The first should be odd, like this. Odd. First we have to arrange all the odd element: 1 3 1 3 5, and after this you just have to do 2 and 4. So you just have to return this linked list. Okay, so this is the answer. You have to return this in the same way. Let's understand with another example. Let's suppose there is 2 1 2 1 3 5 2 1 3 2 1 3 5 2 1 3 5 6 4 7 6 6 4 6 4 7. Okay, then you just have to do, first you have to put the odd, all the odd element: 1 3 5 and then 7. Okay, and after this you just have to put all the odd element, which is sorry, even 2 6 and 4. Okay, so you have to return this linked list. I hope you understand with both of the example. So how can you do this? First, the first approach comes in my mind is that I will create a two pointer linked list, two pointer which containing odd. The first one is odd and the second is even. Okay, the odd is at the head position and even at the head ka next. Okay, I just have to do, and new head will be point at the even, and then I will do while even and even ka next. You just have to check even ka next, then odd ka next equals to even ka next. Okay, and after this you just have to do odd equals to odd ka next and even ka next equals to odd ka next. Okay, so let's understand within code directly. You have to check if head if not equals to head and not equals to head ka next, then you just have to return the head. Okay, you just have to return the head, and again you have to create a list node star equals to odd and head, and again create a list node star which is even. You have to do at head ka next, and then again create a list node star which is new head equals to even, and then while even and even ka next, you have to do odd ka next equals to even ka next, odd equals to odd ka next, even ka next equals to odd ka next, even equals to even ka next. Okay, you just have to do this, and after this you just have to do odd ka next equals to new head, and then return head. So let's run this code. It's not f not id, so let's again run this. Now this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.